What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 5 small kitchen appliances according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. At first, we have the Ninja QB3001S. This Ninja personal blender and smoothie maker is the brand's entry-level personal blender, including two 16 fluid-ounce single-serve cups. It has a 700-watt motor and is slim and compact in design. It includes two spouted lips that screw onto the single-serve cups, eliminating the need to decant the contents before transporting them. This personal blender and smoothie maker has got only a 1-speed setting, unlike Ninja's other personal blenders. And in terms of performance, its powerful 700-watt push-to-blend motor is excellent, as it will power through everything inside the cup to provide the best Ninja blending experience. You'll find two spouted lids in the box that can be used to replace the blade assembly once you've finished blending, allowing you to take your drink with you without having to decant it first. This blender comes with a booklet containing 10 recipes for inspiration. And at last, all its cups, lids, and blade assembly are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning as well. Next is Breville Smart Grinder Pro. This Breville Smart Grinder Pro is a high-tech machine. It has a greater design and a screen that displays everything you need. You can change the grind size by using the included knob on the right side of the machine. And on the front are buttons that can be used for controlling the number of cups or shots, adjusting the grinding time, and starting, pausing, or stopping the machine. Its stainless steel conical burrs are designed to reduce grinding heat while protecting the coffee bean's essential oils. And here, you will be provided with about 60 different grind sizes to choose from. Its top grinding wheel is initially set at 6, which is a middle setting, but it can be adjusted from 1 to 10 to fine-tune the grind size. Its vent holes on the back of the machine assist in keeping the motor cool while in use. And another small feature we liked was the addition of a removable tray beneath the grounds cup. Any spillage will fall on that tray, making it easy to clean. Next up, we have the Foreman GRP0004B. You can speed up preheating, cooking, and cleanup with the help of this Foreman 5-serving removable plate grill and panini. This will free up more time for you to spend with your family at the dinner table rather than in the kitchen rushing around. Its large surface area will enable you to cook up to 5 servings at once, allowing you to prepare quick and easy family meals in under 20 minutes. As a sloped grilling surface, it can remove up to 42% of fat for tasty meals, and the removable grill plates that come with it are non-stick and dishwasher safe, so you can throw them in with the rest of the dishes and make cleanup a breeze. Another noteworthy feature here is its floating hinge, which allows you to adjust the height to accommodate a wide range of foods. Next is CHEFMAN. This CHEFMAN compact turbo fry air fryer cooks your favorite dish and creates a crispy fried texture with little to no oil, using the most recent advancements in rapid air technology. With a temperature range of 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can cook at your desired temperature for a healthy, crispy, fried finish, while using up to 98% less oil than traditional fryers. Its manual temperature control and 60-minute integrated timer will let you air fry everything from frozen vegetables to chicken, and even reheat leftover dessert. As a personal size air fryer, it can save counter or cabinet space, making it ideal for any small kitchen, dorm, office, RV trips, and more. And another useful feature here is its detachable BPA-free basket, cool touch exterior, and auto shut-off will provide added safety and security, while its 2-quart fryer basket and tray are removable and dishwasher safe on the top rack. Lastly, we have the DMW001AQ. This DMW001AQ mini waffle maker is ideal for a midday snack. With a 4-inch non-stick cooking surface, this is suitable for the first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm, or camper, and it can also be easily stored in a kitchen cabinet or drawer. And to use it, you can simply plug it in, and the waffle maker will heat up in minutes. Its dual non-stick surface will ensure an even cook for consistently delicious golden waffles every time. And aside from that, it's also easy to clean since it has non-stick surfaces. Its small size means it takes up only a little counter space, while its sleek design and trendy color options will complement any kitchen decor. In addition to the maker, you will receive a recipe guide so you can start cooking right away. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.